Hi riders, in this tutorial we will show you on how to change your brake pads. To remove the front brake you have to remove the two screws which are attaching the brake to the left fork. To remove the rear brake, two similar screws have to be removed as well. Now you should be able to hold your brake. Use an imbus to remove the two screws which are inside the brake calipers which are holding the brake pads. Now you should be able to remove first one brake pad and then the second brake pad, including the spring which is inside. Now get the new brake pads and place the first brake pad like that in the spring. Now you can place the brake pad, including the spring, back into the brake caliper. In the next step you have to place the second brake pad like this back into the brake caliper, so that the spring is pushing both brake pads away from each other. Now you can place the two screws back into the brake caliper which are holding the brake pads. Place them like this and tighten them that the brake pads are secure and don't fall out. It is the same procedure for the front and the rear brake. And now you can have a safe ride again.